Hello beautiful people, you are welcome to my channel Ami Loves Cakes and Pastries, and today I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian peanuts. Nigerian peanut is a special snack that you can take with any juice, any drink of your choice. You can as well take it without anything and you still enjoy it very well. Peanut is a very crispy and crunchy snack that whenever you are taking, you'll be very happy, you enjoy it very well. And today I'll show you, if you don't know how to get a crispy, crunchy, smooth peanuts, this is the right video for you because I'll be showing you how to achieve this smooth, crispy and crunchy peanuts. And also, I want to also use this opportunity to appreciate my subscribers. You guys are amazing. You guys are wonderful. And to those that have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit the subscription button and give me a thumbs up. Like my videos, follow me on YouTube for more updates. Thank you. Then let's get down into the video. As you can see, this is my granules. 4 cups of granules, egg mixed with sugar, milk flavor, then my flour with baking powder, 2 tsp baking powder. So let's see the procedure. Can you see how it's looking? I've not finished coating, but I'll go ahead and coat off camera so that the video will not be too long. I'll show you the outcome. You can see that it's coating. You can see how it's coating. You can see that it's coating very well. I will repeat this procedure till it's evenly coated.